This is a Rolls-Royce Ghost, and this is one of the best model I believe the Rolls-Royce has ever given, rather than Phantom and Wraith. And in this video I'm gonna show you why that is. So stay tuned with it and let's jump into what we can see. This Rolls-Royce is a Ghost of 2012 model. It has under the hood of 6.6 liter V12 twin turbo V12 producing around 563 horsepower. This is one of the stunning sedan as ever made in the roads of earth, as I can say. Let me explain it first, don't go around. First of all, it's a 4-door sedan. That's the first rule. And the Wraith that's there. And as you know, the Wraith has a single door sports car. So this is a family sedan, not a Phantom that has been that is for chauffeured around. This is a sedan that you can buy for yourself, and this is a driver's car. The Rolls-Royce Ghost is a driver's car. So let me show you inside. It has these nice doors, first of all, and doors are back hinged. So you open it in this way, so the passenger and the driver doesn't have any problem entering and exiting. And so they have this nice doors here with wooden luxury, and it's a signature of a shipment, as I can believe. And one of the greatest quirks or hidden feature the Rolls-Royce had is in the front passenger door you have this umbrella. So if you push it, you have this nice wooden umbrella that you can use if you get drenched. As you know, in UK there is always been raining every day. Inside is a luxurious place to sit in. It has a red leather here. It has all the options. It has the night radar options, cruise control, even the lane departure assist it has. The inside is one of the greatest place to live in. Let me come inside and see. Oh, it's just amazing to sit here. Nice leather seats. It has Panamera roofs. It has a nice steering wheel, even though the steering wheel is there to show that it's a brand new, but it's used, but they have given this one as a brand new. It is a nice interior. Dashboard is one of the greatest place. It has this nice wooden structure with nice unique design they have made. And this is the Rolls-Royce watch, and the infotainment is hidden behind this one. I don't know if I can start it. I cannot because there is no key with this. They have this center console. There's around is a leather, just to make it feel so posh that you are in a Rolls-Royce, you know. They have these parking brakes here. The gear lever is not in the center. The gear lever is within your reach in the hand, so you don't have to like make an effort to change the gears. So that's a great point of how luxurious the car is. The full interior is one of the beautiful interiors I have ever seen. In the up they have this chrome, I don't know if it is chrome or aluminium. They have an emergency button, they have lights, they have the switch for the panoramic roofs. They have nice Alcantara mirrors or sun visors with the lights. So let me turn it off. And they have this aluminium, brushed aluminium or chrome to put your hands on, so you feel posh rather than sticky plastics. They have carpeted or Alcantara everywhere. On the headliner Yeah, let me check on the back seats of it. So let me turn it off. The front one can go front. Yeah. So the back seat, it says the Rolls-Royce handcrafted in Goodwood, England, with a latitude and longitude, so you know where it was made. And you were presented by this one as you go along. You come inside, you step in, there is a lot of leg room here. I cannot say you how much leg room it has, rather than normal sedan car. And there is loads of inside. And the biggest quirk here is, as a Rolls-Royce owner, I am very lazy to close my doors. So if I push this button here, it's gonna close it for me. Yeah, and I'm inside of it. So inside you have a infotainment system, you have your curtains and the panoramic roof. There is a table, I believe. They have a picnic table in front, so you can put your stuff or put your laptop in and work with some stuff or eat something if you want. From here, just watch how beautiful the interior is. Like this leather seats everywhere, leather. The wooden structure here, it just feels amazing and posh and rich to handle anything. You know, this aluminium stuff, the Alcantara leather strips, they have these lights. And if I want to show you the front, this is the front cabin. Oh, just amazing. From the price point, these have a lower price point than the Phantom, so it's a little bit of less wheelbase from the Phantom. Let me get out and show you what I was saying. Oh, these are the heavy doors. These are so heavy doors. Let me get out. Oh, yeah. Let me show you closer. Yeah. So as a sedan, this is the mid-class sedan, and the main thing is they have a mid-side price point for people who have a family and they don't want to be chauffeured, they want to be a driver. This is a driver car, not a chauffeured car. It has a two-tone color. One is this gray and this black, and it has this very expensive color. I don't know if it comes, you can see the glistening of pearls in the color. Yeah, and it has a stripe of this red stripe that comes from back of the car to the front. This is a four-door sports car. So, and should be I believe it has to be on to get the table. They have this reading lights,